There is a fundamental error in the way we see the world that keeps us trapped in a never-ending cycle of suffering. As soon as the error is corrected, the way to bring about lasting change becomes obvious. The error is the belief in causality. We believe too much sugar causes tooth decay, warmth causes seeds to germinate, clouds cause rain. This belief that A causes B and B causes C is the basis of our linear view of the world. If you're sick, you need to find a pathogen that caused it. As long as we continue to believe that A causes B, we are going to look for what causes A, and what causes the cause of A, and so on, in an endless and illusory effort to free ourselves from our troubles. Scientifically, we know A does not cause B. For example, in the action at a distance observed in quantum physics. How does the spin of an electron in San Diego cause an electron thousands of miles away in Hamburg to spin in the opposite direction? So if there is no causality, how do things appear? As David Hawkins puts it, everything is happening spontaneously. Nothing is causing anything else. When conditions are right, things appear as a natural unfolding of that which they are. A seed starts to germinate in warmth, not because warmth causes germination. Germination occurs as a natural consequence of the conditions present in the seed. Hawkins is referring to a fact we also know from quantum physics, that everything arises from a field of energy known as the zero-point field. As soon as we factor in the zero-point field, the need for causality disappears. A is no longer causing B, both are simply appearing from conditions present in the field. We do not say flying fish A jumping out of the sea causes another flying fish B to also break the surface. Each is manifesting as a consequence of what it is. Free from the myth of causality, the opportunity for real change appears. This is because the zero-point field is influenced by consciousness. Heisenberg's indeterminacy principle is based on this insight. What does this mean in practice? From a causality perspective, how would you go about reducing the crime rate in urban America? What kind of resources would you deploy to cause the crime rate to fall? More police? More surveillance cameras? More lighting? Perhaps drug education programs? Do you see the trap? What if we approach the problem by factoring in the field? Between 2007 and 2010, a group of 1,725 meditators in Fairfield, Iowa, interacted with the zero-point field. Their interaction changed the conditions of the field. As a result, the US urban crime rate in 206 cities fell by 28.4%. That is an estimated 4,136 murders averted. In short, this is real change by direct conscious interaction with the field. The implication is obvious. If we want to see change, influence the field. Change the conditions of the field and different things appear. There are various techniques that enable us to do this. The Fairfield team interacted with the field using transcendental meditation. The Troubles Away program offers a quicker and more targeted process where you create mini fields or Merkaba around the personal thing you wish to influence. The program also provides a coaching option. To start interacting with the field, you can learn the essentials of mini fields in under 8 minutes and then choose preset workouts from a playlist. Both TM and mini fields taught by Troubles Away abandon the illusion of causality. They provide methods to directly interact with the field to effect changes we're all looking for.